Unique, private and peaceful in Hardin Valley on appx 8.61 acres located on 3 lots with custom-built ranch home, 2 Morton Workshop/storage buildings, 60 by 40 and 30 by 30, all secluded and quiet with gorgeous views of mountains and Clinch River within minutes of Pellissippi Parkway and Hardin Valley schools. All of this plus in-ground gunite pool, tennis court and garden area. Vaulted and beamed ceiling and great room with built-ins, stone fireplace from floor to ceiling, stone surrounding the front door, stone bar overlooking pool, Corian countertops in kitchen with island and tiled backsplash. Oversized garage with 3 bays and workshop area. Newer refrigerator, roof, HVAC, hot water heater and original Anderson windows. Buyer to verify square footage.